your mind. You just be yourself, be who you are, and share stuff with people. Welcome back, it's Kendrick. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And takasngi ngashkwaban kranyafi. What are the things, the knowledge that I've learned during this stage, during Corona time? I am studying, learning about YouTube, learning about Instagram, social media, and ngashkwaban share lang bat pisya. So kung mafisya kibat kwaban na YouTube channel kibas ngoban bas ngole ranyo fisya judge kibriyo or people won't watch your video. Don't listen to all that bullshit, to all that crap that is getting into your mind. You just be yourself, be who you are, and share stuff with people. It's not like if you don't come and snap perfect video or something, but if you even leave it, oh, it has to be so perfect, you have to wear this and that, the content has to be so good. No, it's just about sharing what you know with the people, with the viewers, with your fans, with your audience. It's about not really giving a shit. Yes, obviously if they even berkat what are the audience interested about, kumno kikwa what are the topics that you are interested, because the fikran siapang I topic of him long interest mafi, that means that passion that one na do mensiam kanum wante. If you just talk about like mostly kikwa na YouTube channel just because you're gonna get fame, if you are fame, maybe attention, and you're just gonna talk about some stuff that you don't like talking about. Well, that's not the case. Definitely when you do like that, your YouTube channel is definitely gonna fail, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, girls, even the men, manu if you want to start a YouTube channel, you should definitely start. But the first advice that I want to give you guys from my personal experience, I'm not a pro obviously, ngarang susdang hi tangba ngashkwa lang man share lang but fake experience yung is that I have a thick skin. I don't really give a shit what people think about me. I just wanna share, provide value, provide contents. Ako ban pen kanang ba giwe ru kibapet yung video kila ban yo mensiam kila ban le. You don't have to have that fancy pet kung ngam not fancy stuff. I just have a lighting, camera, and a tripod. No problem. If you don't have a camera, you can do it on your phone also, no problem. Just start posting. Most of you are insecure about your face. Oh, bali you judge or you're not handsome, or you're not this and that. No, who gives a shit, man? You just post out content. If what you have, what the knowledge that you have is something valuable that people are interested, they will definitely like your video, they will definitely watch your video. Okay, so the number one piece of advice that I want to tell you about when starting a YouTube channel is that you don't need to give a shit. You just gotta do what you love, share stuff with people, make contents, document. Don't create like passion about creating. You should have a passion about the subject that you are going to talk about, and you may have different passions. You may like dogs and cats, who knows, you may like watching TV, you may like anime, like my brother, he likes anime. You may like artists, drawing, you may like doing stuff. You can talk about all those things. Definitely there will always be people who will watch your content, because at the end of the day we are living in a very huge world right now. We are connected with the internet. So ngakwaban isnak nang kaniro da kasi na mostly ngakwaban karensya for my locality, for my community first. And that's why if you have a passion man, it's passion. You do what you love, you talk what you love, and that's about it, When you talk about you love, you won't run out of ideas, because you have already studied so many things. No? You have already studied so many things about the topic, what to do, what to say, and all. That's why you automatically kawanam pafin kran, because kawana do mensiam. That's why you should have a passion on the topic, on the subject that you want to talk about. And look guys, I'm not a pro here, I'm not an expert. Me also ngadang choose dang hi mansnakan YouTube channel. So I really I just want to share with you guys what is the experience. And thirdly, maybe you guys might be thinking about what should I create. I was thinking the same topic, the same thought in my mind today. I was studying some contents, how to produce, what a brand is, a personal brand, what is the marketing. I was studying all this stuff and all, but I didn't know what kind of contents to produce. So I decided, well, let me just produce what my knowledge is. I just want to share it with you guys. The things that I'm learning right now, aku akan share lang buat visiangan. Yeah, that's why like you can create contents in a very broad way. You can have so many ideas. Even right now, dilawan create, document your process, document, don't create. Kani kung ngar mentang ale ni video kalau kumbanga document lejong mga batay lang ifisya, what will you face and all. And the first thing is that don't just think about likes, don't just think about subscriber. I really don't give a shit about subscribers, likes and all. I just want to put out content, and the viewers who are watching it, the people who like it, I want those people in my community. I want them to be my friends. I'm not looking for everyone to like me, to support me and all. If you like me also, I really appreciate. If you don't also, no problem. Maybe this is not the right content for you. You understand? But still, this is not only about me. Most of you guys think that, oh, he's doing a YouTube because he wants to get all the attention, or he just wants the fame, the money, shit and all. Do you know how fucking hard it is to build a YouTube channel? Do you really know that it's gonna take lots of patience, lots of strategy, lots of thinking, lots of content to produce? And you really think that it's going to be that easy? No, bro. But when you do it with passion, when you're trying to build a community, the likes, the subscribers, yes, obviously that those are numbers, it counts. But at the end of the day, it's what you produce, it's what you share to the world. Is it valuable or not? So don't give a shit about what people say, what your mom will say, what your family says and all. Oh, you just do what you love, because at the end of the day, at least document your life. No? Your grandchildren and all, they will see who you are. At least create something. Even though if you are only just a small very guy right now, you can create, you can impact the world in a very highly what to say long menta nila dan kini ki platforms. We have social media, we have Facebook, we have YouTube, we have so many things that we can share our personal story, our experience, our thoughts. We can share so many things, you know. So that is my suggestion, that is my real, according to me, my experience, what is the process of making a YouTube channel. If you like this video, this is real talk. I don't want to fake any shit in here. In my YouTube channel, it's about keeping it real, always keeping it real. And yes, if you like it, if you like my video, if you want, please share in the comments what kind of things that you want me to talk about. I will definitely do it. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to have a happy life. Make your life happy, okay? Oh, I'm fumble. Who gives a shit, man? Bye bye, ma.